So one of the things that you can do in Jotform is go ahead and then add in an airport picker. So to go ahead and do that, you can go to widgets right here and simply type in airport, and then you can see airport picker as an option. Go ahead and click, and then what happens is that you get the airport picker. It says display only commercial airports. You can say yes, but if you would select no, then you get wide range of airports to select from. So you can go ahead and click on update, and then if you were to go ahead and then click on preview form right here, then you got a ready list right here, which allows you to search for different airports. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say SUB right here. Then you got relevant airports, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and select the airport you want right here. So I'm just going to go around and say Mexico right here, just like this. And then what happens is that you get Mexican airports right here, just like this. And that is basically how you can go ahead and search for airports as you want right here. So if I were to go ahead and type in, let's say KAM right here, then what happens is that I got relevant airports with that particular name. And you can go ahead and select it and update it out as you want. So that is simply how you can go ahead and utilize out the airport picker widget inside of Jotform. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.